clean, safe, filtered water from your kitchen faucet at the push of a button. With American Standard, you can feel confident that the water you and your family drinks and cooks with is safe and clean. That's because the American Standard filtered kitchen faucet helps reduce harmful impurities, including lead and chlorine, for healthier living. An easy access filter provides the ultimate level and convenience, with 2 options available, above counter or below counter. Maintaining safe water is that easy. Each replaceable filter can filter an incredible 300 gallons of water, so you can say goodbye to plastic water bottles and bulky jugs. The convenient LED indicator light reminds you when it's time to replace the filter, so you'll always know when your water is clean. And unlike other filtration faucets, the filtered and unfiltered water never mix. Filtration plus everything you need from a pull-down kitchen faucet. It's a winning combination. One-touch switching between stream or spray. Retract spray head retraction ensures smooth, easy operation and kinkless retraction of the spray head. Convenience, style, durability, and peace of mind for the entire family.
At Kraus, we know that the kitchen is a place where life unfolds. It's where you start your day, and it's where people gather when the day is over. That's why we pride ourselves on making faucets that are as beautiful as they are functional. Introducing Artec Pro from Kraus, delivering the versatility of an industrial kitchen with uncompromising style. Featuring an innovative dual-spout system, Artec Pro's high-arc open coil spout conveniently pulls out, allowing you to direct water where you need it. Use the powerful sprayer to blast away the toughest food residue in seconds. When you are finished, the spray head easily snaps back into place with the intuitive magnetic docking system. The rotating pot filler delivers water to fill large pots and pitchers and offers a hands-free aerated flow. Add a bold, modern look to your kitchen with the ultra-functional design of Artec Pro. Kraus,